It's late. You're standing in the bathroom. The mirror is quiet. The sink is clean. The toothbrush cup full. 3 brushes rest inside, each angled slightly outward, like sentinels waiting for inspection. You don't think about them often. You just pick one, use it, rinse, return. But tonight, you'll do something different. You will look at them closely, patiently, and you'll notice they are not the same. They differ in color, handle weight, and most quietly of all, bristle count. Each has a philosophy, a silent design war, not for dominance, but for quiet approval. Some swear by 300 bristles, others promote 1-200, and the boldest of all boast 20,000. You've never counted, but they have. They know, and tonight you will know too. No brushing, no decisions, just observation. You're now a guest at the quietest competition in hygiene history. Let's begin with the classic. It's the one you've had the longest. Hard plastic handle, dark blue, no rubber grips, no gimmicks, just bristles. Roughly 300 of them, stiff, straight, determined. This brush has no time for drama. It believes in pressure, friction, circular motion. It's been with you through late night snacks, early morning yawns, and questionable coffee choices. Its bristles are a little bent now, frayed on one side, but it's proud of that. It has done its job. When newer brushes arrived, this one didn't flinch. It simply pressed deeper into the cup. It doesn't care for softness. It doesn't understand microflex. It has never needed a contour. It cleans. That's enough. It holds no resentment, but you can feel it. A mild, bristly pride. The 300 bristle brush knows it's basic, but it's not outdated. It's original, foundational, like plain toast, done perfectly. You place it back in the cup and pick up its confident cousin. This brush is newer. You bought it during a dental phase, or maybe it came free with something. You're not sure. It's pale green, curved handle, a soft rubber grip. It flexes slightly when you hold it. The bristles, numerous, layered, clustered at angles. This is a 1-200 bristle brush. At least, that's what the package said. You didn't count. But the brush remembers. It's proud of its flexibility, proud of its tapered tips, proud of its ability to massage gums gently. It has never broken a bristle, and it knows it. It looks at the 300 bristle brush not with disdain, but with a kind of patient pity. You tried, it says, silently, and you still matter. This brush aims to please, to protect, to polish. It advertises enamel whisper technology, which may or may not be real, but the brush believes in it. That's what counts. You feel its ambition, its gentle desire to win your approval, but you're just holding it, just watching it shine in the light. Then you place it back and reach for the final contender. It's almost not a brush. The 20,000 bristle model looks more like a tiny feather duster than a tool for cleaning teeth. Pale pink, rounded, handle shaped like a wand. You run a finger over its bristles. They don't push back. They yield. Utterly. It feels like velvet, like breath, like a cloud disguised as hygiene. You wonder if it can actually clean anything. But then again, you've used it, and it's gentle. Too gentle to prove itself. This brush doesn't scrape. It caresses. It offers softness and lets you decide if it was effective. It never brags, but somehow you sense its smugness. The sheer number of bristles is enough. It doesn't need texture. It doesn't need tension. It lives in a world where more is more, and soft is everything. This is not a brush. It is an experience. And yet, you wonder if it misses the days of tougher scrubbing. Maybe, but it never says. You set it back down, slowly, like returning a treasure to velvet. Now, all three are before you. Let the comparison begin. The 300, the 200, the 20,000, all lined up in their little ceramic cup, each facing outward, each still, each waiting. No one speaks, but they have feelings. The 300 feels like a veteran, not bitter, just aware that it did more with less. The 200 feels misunderstood. It believes it's the best, and maybe it is, but that's not the point. The 20,000 feels beyond judgment. It isn't brushing, it's floating. You could choose one. You could rotate them, but you don't. You just observe. Bristles point upward, not in conflict, just in stance. They are all tools, friends, witnesses to your habits. They do not ask to be chosen, only to be held, rinsed, returned. This is the quiet ending to every bristle debate, not with a snap, but with a sigh. You've brushed your thoughts clean, softly, repeatedly. The brushes are still proud, still equal, none better, none best. You have run warm water over your memory, a rinse of bristles that no longer compete. The 300 folds in, the 200 stands tall, the 20,000 floats on a dream. All of them return to the cup, not in defeat, but in rest. Tomorrow, you'll pick one, or maybe a new one, and they won't mind, because tonight they've all been chosen, seen, described, and set down. Let your breath be like bristles, in out even. Let your thoughts be rinsed and placed back on the shelf. No plaque, no pressure, just peace. Sleep now. Your mouth is closed. Your mind is still, and all the bristles are at ease.